Hey guys, I'm on the road again and stopping at a restore that I often stop at. SMC blades. Doubt Rick needs them, but if he does, they're here. Yeah, this one hasn't had good stuff in a while. I used to find good stuff here, but it was a while ago. Still, you never know. That's why you stop. Oh yeah, there's some porch walls. That Dynasty is cool, but not $45 cool. Hunter light kit. They're assuming that's what's in the box. Yeah, looks like it. Glass in there too. It's white. Yeah. Of course, if somebody wants some of this stuff, the problem is nobody's really close to this restore. I'm maybe 45 minutes away one way, so like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Oh, that's kind of cool. A Jeremy light kit, new in the box. Codep. Interesting. These are kind of cool. Kind of cute little things. They're not marked. I don't need them. Yeah, so if you see something here, again, it's not close to anybody. Me and Reese are probably equidistant, and everybody else is further. Oh, I do need some of these glasses, though. How much are they? Maybe I'll get those. Okay, thanks for watching.